Hi guys, today I'll be showing this really quick and easy double stamping snowflake mani. I really love the colors that I used for this one. I think they're so fun and they're perfect for the current weather that we are having. If you're new to my channel, thanks for joining, and for those returning, thank you for being a subscriber, and let's get started. For the base color of this nail art, I'll be going in with two thin coats of O.P.I's Give Me Space. This is such a gorgeous polish. Now that I have given my base color some time to dry, I'll be going in with one thin coat of Glisten and Glow's top coat, which will help to speed up the drying process. Before I go in with my stamping, I'll be protecting my cuticles with Mini Mani Moo's Mess No More liquid latex barrier. The stamping plate that I'll be using is Creative Shop's number 110, and I'll be going in with my clear jelly stamper Baked Bling, as well as Mundo.'s silver stamping polish. Using the same snowflake stamping image, I'll be going in this time with Mundo.'s white stamping nail polish. Once I've cleaned up around my cuticles, I'll be now going in with one final coat of Glisten and Glow's top coat to help seal in the mani and give it a very high gloss shine. And that's it. This is the final look for this fun and festive snowflake mani. I do hope you enjoyed this tutorial as much as I did filming it. As always, the products that I did use will be listed down below, and if you do have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them as well. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Until next time.